Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can hide your Instagram Reels from everyone, so let's get right into it. Now, this is relatively simple to do. You can do this either before posting the Reel or after you post it, so let me show you guys exactly how this is done. Now, what you can do is while you're posting the Reel, just let me record a short video, click next and click next. When you're on this screen right here, you can scroll down and go into audience, and as you can see currently it's set to everyone. However, you can set it to close friends. Now, if your close friends is empty, then of course nobody will be able to see it unless they're added into your close friends, and that's one method of doing this while you're posting the actual Reel. However, what you can also do is if the Reel has been posted, let me just get out of this video really quickly. If the Reel has already been posted, you can go into your account, and once you're in your profile page, you can go into your Reels, select the Reel you want to hide, press the three dots in the bottom right, click on manage, and at the bottom where you can see show on profile, that should say archive. For some reason my Instagram doesn't want to register that I've unarchived it and that it is shown on my profile. I would need to restart it first, which I'm just lazy to do right now, but yeah, you can click there. Instead of show on profile, it'll say archive and it'll be a red button. Just click on that and then confirm it once the prompt pops up, and once you do, it'll be shown in your archive, and the archive is located in your settings in the top right. Click on archive, then in the post archive, that Reel should be there. Of course, nothing is archived for me, so I can't really show you the archive like that. However, if I go into another Reel and go into manage, as you'll see at the bottom you have archive, which for the other post doesn't want to work, but for some reason for this one it does, even without restarting. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.